unboxing it. Oh. Oh. Guys, get ready. We're about to unlock the legendary. You guys should already have him, but I can upgrade him. Okay, I'm fine with Mega Knight. Another unboxing, wow. Nice. Oh cool, looks like a legendary princess. Okay, so to get the Mega Lightning chest, you need at least 50 health in your tower, but still have to win.